you can tell, we are in the Catskills just for a couple of nights. We were so kindly invited by the Hunter Houses, which is this beautiful place we're staying at, to come stay with them for a few nights. And they had about 4 bedrooms, so we thought, why not bring the girls? So Kara, Carrie, Julia, and Julia's sister actually just moved for school, so she's with us as well. We thought it would just be like a fun way to get out of the city. It's only about 2 hours out of the city. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. So we've just been cooking here and just relaxing, spending time with each other. Kara actually leaves. She's going to LA for a few months because that's where her job is taking her. And there's not a lot of people hiring chefs in New York right now. But I definitely wanted to vlog a little bit just because I know how much you guys enjoy these vlogs, enjoy seeing the girls. Obviously we haven't been doing that as much and going out and doing things because up until now it really hasn't been a great idea. We're trying to follow all of the rules as best as we can and just keep everybody safe. So this was the best we could do right now. And then hopefully in the new year, we'll be able to see each other a lot more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I hope you like seeing everybody again. For the most part, Josh and Lou aren't here, but we've got the girls and it's great. So yeah, Pat is chopping wood. We are gonna use this tonight for kebabs. Yikes.
Cut that. Have they seen Pat chopping this wood?
Yeah,
Pat's
they have.
chopping wood for me because we're gonna cook tonight. We're gonna grill some steaks. They have this little oven, but we need real firewood, so he's bored and so he's tearing all the wood apart right now.
Exactly. He's got a lot done,
he has.
actually.
Yeah, he has.
Needed something to do and it's kind of fun.
I'll take a whack at it. Who gave me one of these?
I'm chewing, hold on. Ooh, that was pretty good.
First try.
Wow, Kara.
Right.
Dang! Okay, you lost your job.
Yeah, I'm out. I'm
Look at all of them, though. How cool is this thing, though?
Fucking...
Kara,
Damn.
that's really good. An outdoor oven.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how it works.
Albert.
Got a lot of wood down here. All right, we're cutting veggies.
We are. These are gonna go on skewers and Pat's gonna help me do that.
Okay, Kara, our conversation last night, what kind of cut is that?
If I were gonna brunoise this, like I'd have to feel like it's just perfect squares.
Teeny tiny.
I mean, they're supposed to be perfect squares, but like that,
Wow.
you know? Like this isn't part of this is just like a large half moon.
Kara last night was telling us, well actually I asked her what cooking school was like. I did like a whole question about it and she was telling us about different ways to cut things.
All these just different measurements.
Like how tiny that zucchini cut is. Look at that.
But like if you don't get that little tiny square perfectly square, you're out of the kitchen. You're gone.
She said that her, professor. She said her professor would
My chef.
chef, okay, would come around with a ruler.
Yeah.
That's insane.
And measure your small dices, your large dices, everything. And
Teeny tiny.
And then look at your scrap on top of all that.
So would you get docked for that?
Yes. Oh yeah. Yep.
No waste here, honey. For the kebabs, we're doing mushroom, squash, zucchini, red onion, and then shrimp, right?
Shrimp.
And then we're
Also grilling steak.
grilling steak. Are we grilling it out there or here?
We're grilling steak out there.
Okay. Maybe a lot of people know this, but I didn't know that you salt the tomatoes first. And then you get all the juices out, so you can add oil and what else? Vinegar, the mozzarella, basil, yum.
Correct.
Got orzo. I don't know what we're putting in it yet, but we will find out. And we've got a Carrie.
So crazy you guys are here. We have been waiting. We said, should we vlog? Maybe we should. So we did. Now you're here. We're doing it.
Julia's still working.
It's 5:30 and I've been on all day.
You gotta know. People gotta know what pillows you need.
Pillows, yep.
The comforters, the
Yep.
sheets.
I love my Macy's bedding. Really, I do.
Is there a light up here?
Yeah. Oh
Put
yeah.
them on. That's called ambiance.
Camera goes on and so is Carrie.
Yeah.
No,
I've
she's
been
always on.
quiet all day.
No, you haven't. You've just been working really hard.
Nothing is guaranteed, kids. So work hard, study,
What's all over this?
be nice to one
Oh,
another.
that you made. Once that's all done, we're gonna wedge basil leaves in between all
Okay.
that.
Making it so artsy for Chef Kara's Instagram.
Yeah. And yours.
And mine. All of us
Let's
are,
be
you know, try to make it cute.
Yeah. It doesn't have to go, because I don't know if we have as much mozz as we do tomatoes, so you can do like double tomato mozz. Good deal.
Good job, Kara. Go Gordon Ramsay on her ass.
You think? You call that a layer? Yes, I do. I call it a shit sandwich. Feel that? Feel what? Are your guns?
Tough skin.
We have a caprese salad. We're doing a little balsamic reduction.
Yes.
And Julia made this salad last night, and it's delicious.
It's just
specifically the dressing.
A fat spoonful of Dijon, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and salt, and it's so good.
It's so
The
good.
Dijon makes it kind of creamy, and then you just like, you know, mix it and then taste it until, like, I think I already need more balsamic because I can just tell by the color it's a little bit lighter.
She's resourceful, kids. Look at her.
Look at that. Is that on film?
Yeah.
Wow, I mean, put her in a 5-star restaurant and put her in nature. She succeeds at both.
We just get like a little pat appreciation for just like just hanging out with all the girls.
I'm lucky that you wanted me to be here, so cheers to that.
Patrick got
That's-
bit.
I don't know, bit, stung.
Close your eye, you can see it better. Oh, it's just a little swollen. Okay, so we have corn and goat cheese.
And the orzo.
Orzo. Yum.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it.
Target. Walmart. I just panicked, okay? McDonald's.
Target! Walmart! Target! Blow the fire out.
I'm gonna go.
Catapulting. Catapulting? What's that called? I know what kind of
Grinding.
on a
Pull. Stripper pole. Stripping.
We only have six Skittles left, so we're each picking a color.
Everybody really savor
Really
that.
rationed.
Full.
I'm
much
full
Skittle.
from that one Skittle.
Fuck.
Wow.
Tastes real good though.
No more, please. I can't.
What are you working on?
Confidential things.
Oh God. Okay, bye.
This is how Tess likes her bacon.
I want it to
Super
break.
crispy.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
This is not just for me though.
This whole plate is for Tess.
And we've got sausage, bagels, can make some eggs.
happens all the time. She's a professional.
We're doing a little Italian dinner outside. It's so cute out here. Do you have the pasta?
I have the pasta. Imagine I just spill it.
No.
Cry.
Wow.
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 Have to do that. Now that I was like, but we did.
Why was that on cue?